Track suspensions with payroll and attendance sync. Employee suspension begins in HR operation, the strategic management of workforce compliance and professional disciplinary standards. Accurate suspension tracking mitigates legal risks and ensures fair labor practice documentation. The register tracks active disciplinary records to maintain organizational transparency and compliance. Employee identification links disciplinary actions to personal files, while the status defines the nature of absence. The start date establishes the official commencement of the disciplinary period for payroll purposes. The end date determines the duration of the suspension and triggers the scheduled return to work. Document uploads secure formal evidence and legal notices directly within the digital employee record. Remarks provide essential context for administrative reviews and future human resource audits. Attendance reconciliation validates that disciplinary suspension periods are correctly integrated into the enterprise automated tracking system. This workflow automates disciplinary tracking, ensuring legal compliance and precise attendance synchronization for seamless payroll processing. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.